how do they get an online shop onto their website? It's really, really important that for your business, and this is something that I think we've learned really in 2020 more than any other time, but it's really important for your business and even hospitality that we have multiple streams of income coming in. You may have thought about having a recipe book, but it's all, you've just thought, well, it's printing costs and all of that. Well, what you can do is you can create a PDF of this. You can easily do it in Fiverr, or you can go to somewhere like Upwork. You can go to Canva, or you can go to Upwork or Fiverr and have somebody do it for you. You can just tell them what to put in, and then they can create a very beautiful, stunning PDF that you can again put onto your shop and you can sell. So next time that you've got a guest who says, "Oh, that was such an amazing dish that you did last night or at breakfast, do you have a recipe?" You can say, "Well, yeah, I do. Here's the link to the online shop, and you can buy it, and you can do it when you get back home." Whether we like it or not, from what 2020 has shown us, is that every single business, every brick and mortar, especially shops or something that's got a product to sell, is having to shift online. And there's some that have been really quick to this and have been super fast and have got their products online, and there's some that haven't. Then what I want to do now is to show you exactly how to do it, because again, this is the thing that so many people get bogged down is that they have a amazing idea, but they then just don't know how to put it online. So your life is going to be so much easier if you have a WordPress website.